Hey, I have another PeerTune lesson for you. This time, 3 different people meet in my video. It's Aileen Brown, Doug Rashkov, and Isaac Morehouse, who met on the panel on the recent CoinGeek conference, and they talk about content creating and content creators. And because I'm content creator and I'm trying to make it, make my life with what I like, and I believe I can use Bitcoin for it, I dedicate this lesson to them. So I do these tunes, I call them PeerTunes, and I do them from name. I change the letters into numbers, it's not difficult, and that gives me the key. And all these people have keys that goes nice together because Aileen and Doug came in key of G and Isaac in key of D, and those keys share lots of notes, lots of common notes, so it's easy to move from one to another. And I have this E-system guitar theory, which is basically, it's just the logic how the guitar works, and I teach that too, and that allows me to use the whole fretboard. So I also don't play so awesome, but I will play the tune for you, and then I will show you how I actually come with the chords. So something like this. And now I'm going backwards. So, Aileen, I probably pronounced the name wrong, I'm sorry. Aileen came in key of G, and I always stick the key chord at the beginning and the end of the little tune. And the name and surname came like number 5 and 2. So in key of G, I give numbers then to the degrees of the scale. So if we have scale of G, then the 5, it's D, it's like G, A, B, C, D, and the 2, it's A. So it's G, A, 7, a D7, A minor, and G. In the E system, to each string relates a shape of chord, and to each number relates a type of chord. The number is basically the scale degree, and to 1, 4, it's a major chord, 5 it's dominant 7 chord, and 2, 3, and 6 it's a minor chord, and 7 it's a minor 7 or half diminished chord, minor 7 flat 5. So I unlock the guitar to key of G, which I imagine number 6 on the open string, and I count. So 6, 7, 1, the 1 comes on the G tone. So 6, 7, 1, 2 is the A string, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 is the open G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And like that I open it. And then the number falls at certain string, and then I know that to that string relates that shape, and then which number it is that relates the type. So G is number 1, so I make a G shape, and because it's 1, it's a major shape. So I can do either G major or I can do G major 7 to make it a bit more jazzy. Then I have D7. So 6, 7, 1, 2. So if this is 2, it's 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the 5 comes on this position, and it's an A string, so I make A shape. But because it's 5, I have to make dominant. And so that's our D7 chord in A form. And then we have A minor. So if this is 1, this is 2, and 2 it's minor. So I either can make just a normal A minor shape, or I make it 7 to sound it better. So that's the first tune. 1, 5, 2, back to 1. And we're going to Doug, and Doug has 1, 2, 3, 1. So 1 is again a G chord, or I can make G7, major 7, 2 chord, and 3 chord, and back to 1. And then we're changing a key, but we don't have to take any special chord because G and D are very compatible. So I just take a D chord, B minor or B minor 7 chord, E, either normal E, or I'm taking E minor 7. Here I could do like just the known shape, but then I would have to take the 1 also here, and it's more difficult for my fingers, so I found out it's much easier to just do E minor 7 chord and then back to D. And then I play it backwards, so I start with last Isaac chord and I go backwards back to first Island chord. So this is it. Each of the participants of my lesson gets a percentage of the profit. And there is of course profit for people who share these videos. So I think we just do it all 20, and I usually putting it on like 2-3 cents, but maybe I do 5 cents, so each of us has 1 cent. So take this video far, share it, and let's have some fun, and let's get some more content creators to Streamanity. May good things keep happening. Take care, have fun.